Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are taking lots of fresh vegetables and pasta and we are making this creamy vegan pasta salad. It's one of my family's favorite recipes for cookouts because we have a lot of vegans in my family and I think you're gonna like this whether you're vegan or not. Alright, let's go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is prepare our pasta. I'm using some elbow macaroni. You want to make sure that the pasta does not contain any eggs in it. And most of the dried pastas, you know, you're good. They're vegan. They're wonderful. Okay, I'm going to cook this about 6 minutes just until it's like slightly below al dente. And then we're going to go ahead and just drain it off. Oh, girl, that hair. I'm not going to rinse my pasta off. I like it to be all nice and sticky and stuff. I'm just going to place it into this little bowl right here, and then we're gonna pop it into the fridge until it is cold. Okay, I'm not gonna add any water, I'm not gonna rinse it out, just like that in the fridge until it's cold. Meanwhile, let's make our dressing. I am using this veganese. It's like a vegan mayonnaise. Tastes pretty good. It says it's better than mayonnaise, but honey, that's pushing it. Okay, that's pushing it, but it is good though. So we're gonna add my little veganese in a little bowl, and then we're gonna add these ingredients. I have some garlic with some juice in it, that garlic juice. I have some black pepper, sugar, salt, Italian seasoning, and then I have some yellow mustard right here in that bowl, and then in this bowl over here, I have some jalapenos, just some diced jalapenos. Yeah, this sauce is like really good dressing. So I'm gonna add my little mustard in here. This is my Aunt Lisa's recipe. She made this for a cookout last weekend and everybody was like, oh my god, is this vegan? It's so good. I can't believe it's vegan. Like even my kids like this. So yeah, that's a stretch because they don't like peppers or mustard, but they like this pasta salad. It's really good. Okay, so go ahead and just throw that mustard in. Then we're gonna add in my jalapenos for a little bit of a kick. Dump that right on in. Next we're gonna add in my garlic and that garlic juice going in. That was that you know, the little garlic you can get in a jar. And then I have all of my little spices and herbs going in there. Dump it all in the bowl. And then just mix it up until everything is well combined. This recipe is so easy. It's so easy. But there's our dressing that we just made. You can tweak the ingredients if you want to, but this is how I like it. Now here are all our little pasta add-ins. Yummy. Next time I'm adding in some vegan bacon and some cucumbers. Oh my gosh, yes. So good. Okay, so that's my tomatoes. I'm gonna add in some red onions. I'm adding in some celery. What else we got here? I have some red bell peppers. I have some yellow bell peppers. I have some green bell peppers. What are they at right there? Green bell peppers. And then last, I have my black olives. The black olives really add a nice saltiness to it. So if you don't add the olives, you might want to increase the salt just a little bit because yeah, having all those olives in it, so good. Okay, go ahead and toss this around just like that and get everything combined, and then just go ahead and stir in that dressing. Now, if you taste this dressing like right now by itself, you're gonna be like, oh my god, that's way too bold, it's way too strong. But once you mix it in with the pasta and all those vegetables, it's like perfect. There it is, nice and creamy. If you want it to be creamy like this when you serve it, then just go ahead and wait until you get ready to serve it before you add the dressing. Okay, that way it'll be like really creamy like this right here. But I went ahead and just wrapped it on up with some plastic wrap just like that. I covered it up and I put it in the fridge actually overnight. So here is how it looked the next day. It's still very creamy, not as creamy because some of that sauce is really, you know, soaked up into the noodles, but you know, still very creamy for the next day. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have vegans in your family, go ahead and make this for the cookout, honey. Give them something to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Later.